everybody. Welcome to Be Free Budgets. I hope you're having an amazing weekend. I certainly am. I always get to this unwind point on Sunday, and then you start to get all tight and wound up for work tomorrow. So we're enjoying the moment, though. I am here. If you're new, welcome. My name is Alyssa, and this is Be Free Budgets. Today, we're going to be working on our Motor Monday binder. I am recording this on Sunday, but you will see it on Monday. And we're continuing to save for a down payment on a car. I have a really lofty goal, and I don't think I'm going to make it, but I'm certainly trying my hardest. The goal was $20,000 by August, and I'm not even halfway there. But that's okay, guys. We're just doing our best. Every payday, we're being consistent. At the end of the month, we're putting our new car envelope in our randomizer. So we will see how close we can get, right? Okay, let's get right to it. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much. I do appreciate you. I do love to read your comments and get to know you all. So if you have not already, please hit that bell notification so you know when I have new content going up. And I would love to talk to you in the comments. All right, guys, let's get right into this binder. We are playing with $140 today. Okay, Boy Mom Loves to Save. Let's see what we have. Can you see this? Yeah. Let's do a scratch today. Okay, that's good. That's $10. If we have money left, maybe we'll come back and do a roll. But for now, we'll do $10 in here. And that will bring us to 150, 70, 80, 92, 11. We have $211 in there. Perfect. I love this one from Boy Mom Loves Save. I just like challenges that come with an envelope also. All right. Moving right along. This guy, hopefully we can finish this month. That would be amazing. We might be able to with my mileage check. Each one of these is $25, so that's exactly what we're going to put in there today. Oh. You guys, I don't know. I'm going to pause a minute because there shouldn't have been two 20s in there, and I do not want to overstuff this binder. So I'll be right back. I'm going to count this to make sure there's $130 in there now. 20, 40, 70, 15, 30. Okay, that's right. There's 130 in here, so two 20s is fine. I don't know what I did, but we're going to add the 25 to this one. I didn't know that I was putting two 20s in there when I did the breakdown, so this originally goes to 400. We have pulled some money out of it already, but right now we're at 100, 200, 20, 40, 65, 75, 275, and we've got 75 left to go. That's exciting. That would be nice to finish this month. That would be an exciting deposit for my car. Okay, Plan to Plan Sticker Company. I made each sticker $10. I think next time I would up it to 20. But we are going to do one sticker for now. Maybe we can come back. And there's no money in this envelope because we do pull it at the end of every month. And it goes into our high yield savings. Boy Mom Loves to Save. This is a $100 challenge. Let's see what we have. Let's see if we can do a couple here on top. There's 5. Oh, okay. 5 and 9 is 14. This one's so cute. I love her challenges. Let's see, we do not have any change. So we will do 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. Out of 100, we now have 20, 40, 50, 60, 1, 2, 3, 4, 64. So we have about $36 left to finish this one. Let's see. Did you guys do anything fun this weekend? I didn't really do anything too exciting. I did go to church this morning, which was lovely. Then I went to a neighboring town in New Hampshire here and did a little shopping for my upcoming Florida trip. This is by Snow Gardener 307. Let's do a couple of these. Oops, I'll just take that off. 5 and 6 makes 11. Perfect. And this one is 75 when it's done. And we are at 10, 20, 35, 36, 37, 38 out of 75. Might finish that one by the end of the month. Ooh, low from Soft Life Budgeting. Let's find my rainbow. Oh dear. You guys, I'm never organized. What is, oh, here it is. Here it is. My rainbow card challenge. I love this challenge. Let's see. Oh, we're going to blue. Woo. Blue is 2 to 5. Oh, blue's already done. We are not going to blue. Let's roll again. A red. Okay, red is 10 to 15, and this is the last one on red. Let's see what we get. $12. Perfect. This one equals $3.75 total when it's done. We have pulled some money out of it from last year. So that's $12. Let's see if we've got any change in here. If we have $8, we'll take that 20. We do not. So we are going to take the 5, 10, 11, and 12. We now have 120, 40, 50, 5, 60, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 166. Awesome. And we have a couple of cards. Let's see how much we have left. Purple has 2, yellow has 2, bonus has 2, green has 2. Wow. All right, we have 8 scratches left. We can do it. Probably within this month and next month, we can get that one finished, maybe. Maybe. All right. This one is from Toby and Budgets. Super cute. 1-800-CAT taxi. I made each hat $5, so I'm going to color in 2. That'll be $10. Let's see. Let's put this 10 back and then take this 20. So we now have 20, 30, 40, $50 out of 75. I'm really nervous about going to a car lot to buy a car. Like, I'm worried they're gonna like scam me or charge me more than I should be charged. So, I don't know. I have to figure out someone to go with me, I think. All right, this one is from Lemon Ivy. That's $1, and I think it's a mystery because I don't see how much it is. Plus 4 is 5. We will go one more. Oh, plus 6 is 11. Excellent. $10 and 1. That makes 11. We now are at 10, 20, 1, 2, 3, and 4. 24 so far. Look how pretty that one is. I just love that scene. Okay, last week we finished our cop car challenge, and I have had this. This isn't a car challenge, but I bought this a long time ago. It was a Oops, whatever account had it. I'll have to go back and look, but it was their Oopsies, and you can, a lot of Etsy shops will sell their Oops or their minor mistake challenges for less, and it's a year-round challenge. So I just thought I'd put it in here. Since we're in March, we will do the St. Patty's Day one. I don't, oh wait, it says in here that they're between, the scratch-offs are between 1 and 9, so we're good. Let's do this one. 8. Perfect. It's been, I've had it for probably like 8 or 9 months and just never used it. $5, 6, $7, $8. So I figured, what better time than to use it now? All right, last one from Boy Mom Loves to Save. This is a $100 savings challenge. We still got quite a bit of money here, so let's do a couple of these. 9 and one more, and 5 is 14. Let's see if I have a 1. I do. Okay, so I'm gonna put 1 back and take 15. 5, 10, 15. Perfect. Let's see how much we have now towards the 100. 5, 10, 15, 25, 35, 45, 46, 47. Oh, we are almost halfway there, guys. All right, let's see how much money we have left, and let's see if we can finish anything. I don't think so, but 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Ooh, exactly $15. Let's see. We can't do that. You know what we could do is, we could do, okay, let's do a $10 sticker. And that'll be the $10. So we now have $20 in here. And then the last $5, because you know your girl don't like no IOUs, we are going to go back to the cat taxi and color in one more hat. Yay! And now we'll have $20 left on this one to finish it. And we can definitely do that this month. How exciting. Awesome. And I can clean this one off. And I think next time I'll up it to $10 a hat. So that is that, guys. That is our nothing finished, but maybe next time we will. And we definitely made some great progress. How is the weather where you're at, you guys? Yesterday I went out to go shopping to do some clothes shopping for my upcoming Florida trip. And I was in the mindset of sun, but I got outside and it was snowing. So that played a little mind game with me, but I've been getting some nice deals on stuff that I have. I've been very focused on what I need versus just thrifting just anything. So I've gotten some amazing finds for my trip. And yeah, super excited. So how's the weather where you're at today? It started out sunny and clear and kind of warm. And boy, by this afternoon, it was windy and cold. So anyways, I hope you're having an amazing day. And You have an amazing week. I will talk to you later. Bye, everybody.